And we're live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. Welcome to another day, another dollar. Don't forget to holla. All right, today is Friday, July 11th. Looking for 3 points today. Nothing fancy. Just want 3 points to qualify for a payout. Market's moving. Let me just check my Apex Trader Funding account just to confirm that I'm not already eligible for a payout. No account available for payout. All right. Let's do a little market analysis. So again, I'm Tim. I trade the NASDAQ future market. I'm trading a 50K Apex Trader Funding account. I'm currently sitting at 52,922. I needed 52,600 in order to request a $500 payout. So I'm sitting at 800, just over $800 over a payout. If today's a winner, it should be another $100. So I should be getting another. After the market closes today, I think I can request a close to a $900 payout. That'd be nice. Money in the pocket. I think after 5 or 6 withdrawals, I can request the rest of the 2,000. So we're chugging away. I'm just trading the one account. I'll probably start stacking the accounts if they let me. I don't know if they let people stack accounts anymore. If they don't let me stack the account, or because I use a template, this ATM template, kind of rely on that to not have to fiddle around with getting in and getting out. Instead of going up to multiple 50K accounts, I might just go for the 300K account. The risk to reward ratio on that account is not as good as the 50K. Most people do the 50K because you get the 2,500 drawdown with a 10 contract possibility. I only trade 2 contracts though. So I also have to do the math and make sure my strategy allows for the amount of drawdown that they allow in the 300K account. 5 minutes to the market open. We'll just do like a quick 1-minute analysis here, see what the market's doing. All right, this is the day chart. Day. I have a brother David. His dad's nickname for him was Day Day. It's kind of interesting how these breakout lines, trend lines, become support and resistance when they're broken. There's the day chart. Looks kind of, it's up. It's kind of a pullback with a potential another bull flag kind of happening like this. Kind of a channel here. Let's go to the hour, 1 hour chart. You can adjust these lines to hit the, I like to do it so it really just hits right on it. Some people do it like this because it doesn't break the line, it just flirts the line. That actually might be the more accurate line. I feel like I might sneeze. All right. Oh, great. These lights, battery powered. I need to keep them plugged in. Kind of nice not having a blinding light in your face. Those lights are bright. It's nice to not have these blinding lights right in your face. Things I do for this channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at ApexTraderFunding.com to get the best discount possible. Let's go. Let's make it happen. Get your account. Pull me up every morning live. 6:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mountain Time. I think it's like 8:20. Market opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Get your account. Open up your computer. Have my live stream going, your account going. Take my market analysis with a grain of salt. It's not financial advice. Compare it against your own thoughts. See if it works. Maybe you find that the inverse of my recommendation is the way to go. Hopefully it's not, but who knows? Okay, so these lines kind of go like this. Oh, we're running out of time here. 30 seconds to go. Get your place. Market is open in 5 seconds. Time flew. And the market's open. We're looking for the indicator to print some money for us here. For 3 points. 3 points. Market's moving up, going straight up. We're going to need to pull back now in order for it to give us a bear fella egg or bull flag. Oh, we have a line printed down here at 22,909. Man, this thing is just cranking up. Just straight up. It's going to the moon, folks. Going to the moon. Okay, here's our pullback. Are we getting the line printed? There's the line printed at 22,958. Coming back down. VWAP is coming back down to VWAP. We're also having a line at
22,908. But it might, it printed another 9 at 22,935. If it passes that line going down, we're going down. A lot of momentum upside. I'm kind of thinking it's going to go up, but we'll see. It's close to that 22,935.25 mark. Going down maybe. Hands on the sell button. Let's see what happens here. We're just looking for 3 points. Oh, we have another marker going up. Are we going up? Let's see here. Looks like we might be going up. We're going up. We got a buy signal. Looking for 3 points.
Order filled.
And we got our 3 points. That's how it's done, people. We were just looking for 3 points today because we're not being greedy. We're trying to just get those days to qualify for another payout. Kind of good. It's just doing 3 points because it was a winner chicken dinner. 123. That easy. I've had 20 accounts. That'd be like $2,000. That'd be freaking awesome. Looks like it would have been a loser. Jeez Louise. Man, market shot up. Then came back down, dilly-dallied. Tempted the up again. This is why I did the 3 points, folks, because I didn't want a loser. Loser, doozer. If you're still in, I don't know how much heat you can take, but you gotta. This 22,908 is definitely another area to look at. That's weird. All right. So we got our 3 points that we're looking for. Glad we weren't being greedy. Because that would have been like a potentially $600 loser, or if I was managing it, maybe, $400 loser. Or if I would have played it super tight. So that's good. Market is now back to where it opened up almost. So we're officially going sideways, folks. Look at that. This is the minute chart now. Pumped up, pumping back down. It's pretty awesome. Pretty epic. Pretty epic, don't you know? Don't you know, eh? 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 Okay, so kind of want to do. Jeez Louise. Sorry about the light. It's all lighting, folks. Waiting for my younger brother Mark to help me out with the live stream here. He supposedly has better lights. Okay, so the minute. Here's the minute. When I look at the chart, this is what I see. I see its support here. See if it bounces off it.
See what happens there. I also see a bull flag right here. Right here, right now. Passes this line. Closes above this trend line. Would be a go for a trade. Some people play the 5-minute range. High and low. Which would be something like, I like to do the opening range, not just the, so it'd be a line there and then a line there. If it breaks these points, then you play the bull flag, bear flag game after that. Looks like we're going going down. So if it crosses this support line here, closes before, you can either take it on the close or wait for another, or zoom down to a lower time frame and look for a little bear flag, bull flag. Let's do some entertainment trading. Okay, so we're about to close that. Now we got still 30 seconds before it closes that. Closes this bar. Ooh, okay, it looks like it's definitely gonna close below that bar. So what I would say to do now is go down to 1 second. Now we're looking for a bull flag. First bull flag. Oh, that was a bull flag. We missed the bull flag. This was the bull flag I was talking about. But let's look for the next bull flag would be this one. If it goes below this, we get in. Up, we're in. And there's our stop loss. Take profit 1-to-1. And it's a winner. 6 points. That's how it's done, folks. How it's done. You want 10 points? What do you want? What do you want? Problem is with the whole, you want 10 points. This is a 1-to-1 trade. So this trade right here just would have been a 6-pointer. See that? See how that played out? See these little waves, both bear. These are bear flags. Those little bear flags. Boom. Look at that. A little pump down right there, right where we were looking for it. Now we got these. Another pump here. You're just drawing these lines. It's a little one there, kind of small. Looking for these. This bear flag is kind of wonky. And then look at this, and then see. Oh, it's lame. It's false. See a little fake out? That doesn't work 100% of the time, folks. Come on. But this is a nice looking pattern right here. Would look nicer if this was higher, maybe. Fake out. What you can also do is see how these lines print here. I'm with my, well, this is my indicator, so you can use those lines as also the true touch points, because see how it shot right through these. But then it came back, so it might not be a true touch point. Anyways, now you got a bunch of lines in your chart, okay? Now, but these are bear flags. Jeez, bears go down, bulls go up. So we did a little live simulated trade, right? Why don't I trade that every day? Because I haven't run the numbers And I like to play the numbers. And I like to find a trade that I can repeat every day so I can print money without thinking. Technically, I'm done trading by the day, by the way. I was typically done by 6:33. Let's see when I was done by today. Yeah. I was done by 6:31. Just before 6:32 today. So it's nice to get on and get out, get your money and run. Get your money and run. Let's get rid of some of these lines. What are we, Corey Trades over here? Look at it. Let's see how it kind of dilly-dallied right here. Tradingview. This support line, trend line, broke it, flirted back with it, came back, touched it, bounced down. You got VWAP. This is what you call like a squeeze. Like, okay, you got a lot of things that can happen here. A lot of pressure with VWAP. WAP. This thing is pretty good. Pop protector. The price tends to be attracted to the VWAP, but then kind of bounces off of it in one direction. So that's kind of what we did here. That's why I have VWAP on there. I'm like, well, where's the VWAP? It's got to come back to the VWAP eventually. Where's the VWAP? It's got to come back up here eventually. Oh, the VWAP's up here, sorry. What's that yellow? Oh, that's the support line, okay. Oh, yeah, VWAP is that way up here. Man, this market analysis is top notch, huh? VWAP, okay, it's a dilly-dallying right on the VWAP. It's dancing with the VWAP. It's doing a spin, a twist, a hop, jump around the VWAP, and then boom, it shoots down to the trend line. It bounces off the trend line. You have another line of support here. It kind of flirts with and shoots down and say, I'm out of here. It gets out of here, and now we are where we are. After trading the 1 second chart, man, the minute chart is slow, folks. It is slow. All these YouTubers are trading like the 2 minute, 5 minute. Like, man, you got some patience. All the movements in the open, bros. Play the open, bros. You're down to the 1 minute, bro. 1 second, I mean, bro. Come on, bro. Bro-ho. Come on, bro. Broskis. Bro Rama. Sorry. Okay. Let's see here. What else? Yeah. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. Get the deepest, darkest, most beautiful discount available. I'm not going to smother you today with... Whoa. Market just shot down. Whoa. It broke that line right there. See that? See how I broke that line? You know, another way I've contemplated if I was just like a fanatical trader needed to just trade like a bazillion trades a day is whenever it printed one of these lines of lines, I'm like, okay, I'll just get in. I'll just keep playing these lines until either I hit my daily stop loss or daily take profit. That's one way to do it. Let's see if it closes above this line. Let's see if we can get some live simulated trading. You have entered the live simulated trading zone. I already took my real trade today, folks, so rewind the video if you want to see that. Happened right at market open within the first 2 minutes. Now we're just having fun, okay? Okay, if it goes below this line, I'm getting in. Closes that line, getting in. Oh, looks like it's going up. It's going up to this line here, 22.8. Oh, it flirted with it. It popped it, and then it's like, no, I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, we have another line printed here, 22.875. Looks like it's going back up to the, boom. Let's get in. We're in. Let's look for a 1-to-1. How much are we willing to risk here? 10 points? Let's make 10 points in this trade. Come on. Let's get a 1-to-1. Another way to look at this is like, okay, that was a counter trend trade because the market's kind of going down. So now we're dilly-dallying. Now we're in the red. We're feeling the heat. We're sweating. We're sweating bullets. Come on. We need another pop-up. It's going up. Okay, we're in the money. In the money, out the money, in the money, out the money. Looking for a 1-to-1. Going up. Oh, and we got it. Man, look at that pump at the end there. Thank you. Making me look good. All right. Trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. Let's see here where we at. Use code Tim at apextraderfunding.com. I trade every morning live just before market open at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, AM, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Mountain Time, I think, is 8:30. I don't really know. It's mountain people. Can't have their own time. We're listening to some SoundCloud accounts that I've contributed to over the years so I don't get dinged with, wow, the market's pumping back up now. Look at that pump back up. And we caught that pump. We caught the swing. We caught the switcheroonie. We caught that. We could have been still in this trade. Look at that. If we were still in the trade, we'd be up 33 points. Whoa, market's moving. Something's happening, folks. Something's happening here. We didn't look at the news for the day. We're getting news right now? What is going on? No news today, folks. No major news. But what is going on? Why is it doing that? Why does it was going up and then it went down and now it's back up again? It's back up again? Market does what it wants, folks. Let's lose power. Testing. Okay. Did someone just pull my microphone? Did someone just unplug me? Sorry, I'm all hopped up on these B vitamins. All right, the market is officially going nowhere, folks. Because we were up, and then we're down, and now we're back slightly up again. Oh, nice. We're for the Vixen, VXN, which is the volatility index for the NASDAQ futures. We are at 19.5. I like above 20 myself. But 19.5. A little better than last couple weeks. Let's go back down to the 1 second. And let's do our strategy tester. Strategy tester should be a loser today. Tradingview, what are you thinking with this strategy tester is horrible. Okay, we got a loser day today. Last 2 days were winners. Going sideways. Honestly, I don't like this, the way that this looks. Okay, just by the grace of dear sweet baby Jesus, we've been profitable through this wonkiness. So I don't like this, how this is working out. I've only been trading this strategy for going into the 3rd month now. Two and a half months or something. All right, so we're at 73% win rate here on the Tradingview side. Let's look at what the strategy is looking like on the Tradovate Apex Trader Funding side. We're sitting at $3,000, just over $3,000 of possibly real money in my pocket. As long as I don't blow the account. Pardon me for a minute. Here's a little tip for you. I don't know if this is the Seinfeld tip or just a life tip. If you blow your nose in public, do not look at the napkin after you blow your nose. Meaning, don't do one of these. Don't do that, because that makes people think, oh my God, what did he just come out of his body? But if you do one of these, just quickly put it down without focusing on, like, oh, it's a false alarm. Nothing came out. But in reality, something came out. Little tip for you guys. We're better than, we're more than just futures trading here. We're life trading people. And you gotta wash your hands after. If you're not in your own comfortable space, like I am. Okay, let's see here. So we're sitting at $123 profit for the day. Thank you, Jesus. And then we have $3,000 profit for this count. That's possible real money. I always like to close out, exit all positions, cancel all, so that I just know for a fact that there's no open trades that are sucking the life out of my account without me knowing it. Let's go back here and we'll do the last month plus today's the 11th. Hit the go button. It's go time. Okay, we're looking at 36.24 on the life of this account. I've already pulled out almost 600 of this account. That's why the difference is, folks. And that's from, I think the 9th is when I shouldn't have done that, because this thing is just slow. Just been happy with that. So regenerate, recalculate, and think about, well, you just requested some data. We gave it to you very quickly, but now you want to switch what range you want? You want to switch? We're not going to give it to you. We have other people to serve. Hit that refresh button, see what happens. And we lost all of our money. All right, come on. Let's just do it. Last month, adjust for this month, the go button. Come on. Give me the data. Give me the data. Show me the data. There we go. We can just scroll down here to see when our first trade was. It was the 9th. I would have been right. Okay, great. 9, and then today's the 11th. So 2 days ago was actually 1 month of data. So in just 1 month, we have made $3,600 in this one Apex Trader funding account. Don't have access to all that money until 6 payouts. But once I get the 6 payouts, then I can start pulling out consistently. And go from there. We're sitting on a 89% win rate. See, it's different than the 75 win rate because today would have been a loser. Loser, loser, doozer, doozer. But because we're better than that, we're able to just squeak away with that 123 after commissions trade last 2 days. Not being greedy here, we just want the payout. We just want our money. Just want to get our money and run. We want our time to be compensated, our skill to be rewarded. The years of no payouts. Only have 2 losers on this account. That is not typical, folks. My results are not typical. Results vary. My results are not typical. Look at that profit curve. Boom. Profit, loss, history. Bloop, 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 bloop. Little dip here. That might be where I pulled down some money. No, it's not. Very good, very good. Let's see what our... Today's trade was 2 seconds. Yesterday was 3 seconds. Day before that was 1 whole minute. Holy moly, it was still a winner. But man, that's... For me, that's like torture. Because I'm used to like these 30-second trades. I'm surprised I didn't get out of that trade. I think it sat in drawdown so long, I'm like, oh God, let's just get it over with. Take the W and move on, but then held out and squeaked out the $400 winner. That was nice, huh? The 9th, 2 days ago. You know, this 120 day, that would have, I think that's the day it also would have been a winner, but I got in late, and so I pulled the plug early. That kind of sucks. We'd be up another $300 in the account, take out. But you really can't fixate too much on the money part. Like, this is good, but you got to focus on the chart patterns. You can only take what the market gives you, right? So some days the market gives you the full-blown 10 points. Some of the days it only gives you 3 points, 1 point. Look at this $40 day right here. It's got one. I squeaked away with one point. Potentially that could have been a loser. Still, a loser is a small winner. So you gotta look at the market, see what it gives you. Just take what it gives you. Don't try to steal from the market and get more out of the market than what it wants to give you. Just take what it wants to give you. Say thank you. Cash out. Get your money and run. where are we at in the market here? I'm going to close this out so I obviously don't take a trade and blow my account. Go back to Tradingview. Close that. This is the 1 second chart. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. It's a little better. Okay, the market pumped back up again, folks. Look at that. Look at right here. It just kind of broke that trend line. That's the live simulated trade we did, which ended up being the turnaround trade. If I was really trading live, I don't know if I would have taken that trade, because I probably would have been looking for a short position because it's going down here. But if it would have broke this, then I would go into the 1 second chart on this bar right here and look for a bull flag. Wow, I just plugged the light in. The light is literally plugged in. That's crazy. That's just ridiculous. I guess they don't expect you to do long form with these lights. It's pretty hot too. Jeez, Jesus, overheating. All right, maybe that's my indicator to get out. Get off. Get off the phone. All right, well, I definitely need another light now because they keep going out on me. I need to back up. All right, folks, if you're still trading, trade responsibility. Look at that. Look at that line of resistance that we did from before. It's kind of dilly-dallying around that, huh? We have this upper line up here, too. Where are we at? We're still red on this day bar. With the futures market, the day starts at 12 a.m. So we're still red on the actual calendar day, not the New York market day. We're green on the market day, but we're in this channel here. Go down to the 1 hour. Okay. We're not even at an hour yet for the market to be open. 6 o'clock bar was a banger. Rocket ship. Look at this. Jeez, what was this? 5 o'clock yesterday. Man, look at that dump. Massive dump yesterday at market open too. Massive dump over here on the 7 a.m. This pattern right here is, I was watching YouTube videos, like when you have a huge outlining bar and then another huge red bar right next to it, you go long, ride it up. Looks like that. That would have played out here. Huge bar here, you don't have a big enough opposite bar. Huge bar here, not big enough opposite bar. Huge bar here, not big enough opposite bar. Let's see if this is a huge bar here. If this bar comes back down here, look for a continuation up maybe. All right, let's see. There's the hour. Let's look at the 15-minute. Where are we at the 15-minute? Okay, this is the 15-minute bar right here. It kind of flirted up because another popular strategy out there is waiting the 15 minutes. Gotta wait that 15 minutes. Something magical about that 15 minutes. And get that first pullback. So here's the 15-minute play. There's no real pullback here. It's kind of too close to that 15-minute area. You need another push up, then look for a bull flag. Or if it breaks down into the range, look for it's tricky when you're in the range because it kind of wants to go down to the middle point of the range. Here's the bottom of the range, top of the range. Where's the middle of the range? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. 80% off right now. Killer deal. It's $140 to activate your account after you pass the evaluation, but the actual evaluation, like the 50K account, I think it's like 20 or $38 or something like that. And it's you have unlimited amount of time to pass the evaluation, by the way. It's just a monthly subscription. So if you don't pass it within the first 30 days, maybe you're halfway there, then they're just going to renew your subscription, another $38. You're going to continue trading until you pass that evaluation, which I think is $3,000 profit. Not hitting their $2,500 drawdown. And I think it's still a trailing drawdown, which means you do want to use those ATM templates, because once the market is up, like say you're up $1,000, but then it comes down to $500 and you take it at a $500 profit when you were up in the trade at one point for $1,000, then it kind of penalizes you for not taking that $1,000 when you had it, because your drawdown is now $500 less than it used to be, because it went up to $1,000 and then it came back down, but that difference there is drawdown because you were at one point up. So kind of encourages people to do breakout quick trades where it doesn't have time to pull back on you. So if that's not your trading style, then tough. Or look for another firm. But right now, Apex Trader Funding's doing it for me. It is possible. Make it happen. Maybe it's a good opportunity to tweak your strategy or find a strategy that allows for that. All right, let's see here. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:20-ish a.m. live. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear from you. Thanks. Appreciate you.